Hello and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host again, Natasha Bridgmohan, president of the BridgGroup of companies. I am reaching out to all first-time home buyers. So pay attention, parents. If you have children that are in the process of buying a home, or you need to sit down and have that talk, they're thinking about it, listen up, get that pen and paper ready, because I'm going to give you some amazing life-changing advice on how to do this properly, stress-free, and without any surprises, and to help save your first-time home buyer or family member thousands of dollars. How does that sound? So we're going to be talking about first-time home buyer checklist for home ownership. So you want to have your team. If you are a first-time home buyer, you want to set up your team. You want to make sure that everyone around you are able to get you that dream home that you deserve, whether it's a condo or if it's a micro condo, a townhome, a semi-detached, an investment purchase, whatever it may be. So the first thing that you want to do is sit down and meet with one of our qualified pre-approval mortgage team members. And what we would do is we would obtain a pre-approval certificate with the bank that will lock in your rate for a certain amount of period and gives you the opportunity to identify what you can afford, what your maximum purchase price is, what your minimum down payment is, what your monthly payment is, what your interest rate is, and all the bells and whistles that a pre-approval comes with. And of course, some of the things that it doesn't come with, such as approval of property, and the value of the property that you're purchasing also has to be approved too as well. So you want to get a pre-approval. Next, what you want to do is, if you're buying a resale or even a new build, you want to make sure that you connect yourself with a local subject matter expert real estate agent that specializes in the area that you would like to move into. So you're not going to go hire a family or friend that lives in, the east side of the city and you want to move in the west side of the city. You want to have local agents that know other agents, that know the areas, that knows the good streets, the good school districts, the demographic and so forth, and the safety neighborhoods and the not so safe neighborhoods. So very, very important that you use a local subject matter expert. Also, you want to have a lawyer that is available on standby to review any offers that you make, and also finish up the transaction when you finally close on your first dream home. So very, very, very important. So once you're able to get a pre-approval, you will sit with your real estate agent and they're going to basically graph around a fenced area of where you want to look, or if it's more than different fences at different areas, separate your wants and your needs versus parking spot, how many bedrooms, accessibility to transit, schools, whatever it may be in respect to your wish list. And also, once that's done, you are going to put in that offer. Once that offer is submitted, then you will let your mortgage company know that you have an accepted offer. Then they will transfer that pre-approval into a live offer to get you a live mortgage commitment. Once that mortgage commitment has been signed, then you will fulfill all the conditions with the bank, such as ID, job, proof of down payment, appraisal, etc. And then the lender and the lawyer will work and coordinate to close, while your mortgage broker works with everybody to make sure there's a smooth transition and key in on your hand by the end of the day on your closing date. So those are very, very, very important things to think about too. And of course, we have a new home checklist that gives you everything else that you need to do, such as changing your address and so forth. So pick up that phone and take advantage of the first-time home buyer rate as low as 0.99%. We are here for you. BridgGroup of companies, home of all of your financial needs.